Recipe for cucumber and avocado salad. Two large cucumbers, peeled and diced. 2 ripe avocados, peeled, pitted, and diced. 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine the diced cucumbers, avocados, red onion, and chopped cilantro. In a small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the cucumber and avocado mixture. Gently toss the salad until all the ingredients are well coated with the dressing. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Serve the cucumber and avocado salad immediately or refrigerate for later use. Nutritional benefits of cucumber and avocado salad. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them a great choice for hydration. They are also rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and various minerals. Additionally, cucumbers contain antioxidants and may have anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve heart health and increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. They are also a good source of fiber and contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, and folate. Red onion. Red onions contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. They are a source of vitamins C and B6, folate, and dietary fiber. Red onions also add flavor to the salad without adding many calories. Cilantro. Cilantro not only adds a refreshing flavor but also offers health benefits. It contains antioxidants and may help promote digestion and reduce inflammation. Lime juice. Lime juice is rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and aids in collagen production. It also adds a tangy flavor to the salad. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that provides monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It may help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Overall, this cucumber and avocado salad is a nutritious and delicious combination. It provides a range of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to a balanced diet.